Taba damu ina mase twan komo no so anu se mame Emma Minia Frankie Taylor Yako Sutrumi no manani ha losing the brother and the mother at the same time. Frankie Taylor a seasoned broadcast journalist to Kumasi Fox FM. In fact, omo achewa adwuma no mi over 25 years. Kumasi Asanteman was some yi papa to Fox FM any Hot FM. And the Radiaton South friend Mameno, the late Mrs. Alice Arthur, Ejiri said, "You never caught time she amuleti me, Edini Juma Kawakaba. Nameya Duma, Memendawi, 30th of July, our Cape Coast, and well, Mundi Ebe Shisha, so I compare Yamame Alice, Auntie Alice Arthur, the crabia inti yankai yenua bema Frankie Taylor na yanko boaro na onkata de mame echi na no de ya na kokata ne nua echi ne nua bema echi ofi US ba ya okohwe de mame hospital ai na nkonhia so sad ti Frank baby a obi na ebusuan na Frankie Taylor yako kwanso koso. Yeah, back to the Ghana agenda, the Ghana factor. 4 qualities. They be the core values. You have to be honest, you have to be truthful, you have to be patriotic, you have to love your country. And don't stop criticizing, but just exhibit these qualities. So, do maya, and I'm on to be brought my utua, a cutie of mine I want to. So, do mine, a baby, a person of mine, Francano, a beco, it be him when you na reho, and then to come. So, do maya, and you might be brewa, won't be in tia mine. Or in the credi. Any adwumaden any opepa any awokeka sonko ana biribia da be pressure of my Ghana betimi akode nti me this wafo aso so help me God very very important na mensankai afofo nyina se enyina yesu nyina me adom ene Kofi Job nyoma nyina abegu honom nti enyoma ekọ gidi Kofi Job nso yeda ase Newmont for yeda mase ana sector minister Mwakwata yeda contractor for me no a obedi djuma amaye wa hafo diversion no Badwam ana afi Kofi Job madaro ma ejiri se mobaye djuma eye ani so e de ama ahafo man na yada nananom nyina ase from church to Adom to my hinisu mo tu anamomba road ministry nyina no Kenya ase number 1 and 2 your president house of chief Yamfo. You know, in Totro Jedu, yeah, actually, so Mim, Kukum, Sankore, Munina, we are forever grateful. Say, at long last, I have Usunya, ne Chefa, a year Puntu Audua, Eba or my Ghana. And there will be as a Mebuna Odo, Mebunuku Audon, so a war in Anna, Edamasi. Niti Tuba Kwama Newmont, Muswa Namon Pa, Masha Sietu, na Mopesa Afo, so etikama kama. Mpensenpensenmu na the medical aka ne se won nyina no akwanya beda ho ba ko de sese eto ano so odi ne dwuma ba ko so de sese esase sand free baby owo no ekọ baby fufuro efisi ho hia iye pa kasi sese sand free baby odna ko fufuro ono no o baby an na ho odin wo pa no na sa akwanya na beto nti ye ma yiru ya aboaben ye dana se wabesom the party MPP na waye de sefata nyina wo na hodin mu na party ne so agina ejikama ye bo na baso se de waye na ye sa kai se impemfo ntwoma dwene sisu se miracles this is his time miracles this is his time intimisremu akonfo bono wo de mecho intimisremu mo na mo di djuma de susu kire mo enye obi akeke ne fa se director of oyo bo na nipa no ni hunu mo kra born keke nipa ntimi me no onipa so be he na wa sugar body na okọ wanko nti o fa obi a director of community or form onimbia ko otini passe ofa braining bida enipa timi ko ne nchen otie adwuma na oye na ankasa ase ti e be recommend it. Young, forceful, focused, energetic man. I'm a party, no MPP party. They say And he has a very soon as a director of communications, Moody won't come on. Then do a back qualification, won't be. Hard work, won't be. Party, won't be. All the criteria to get somebody on board as director of communications, won't be. And consider there's a new wind at Ebo. Mom, Mebruno, Quenya, no Muntivision, and turn round the narrative of Ghana's democracy and politics. Very important. It's miracles akwaba. Oh my way now, so Aquanya the bar. Oh my na, your party, Juma, your party will come. No, we work with you. It's at the pair bar. Over time, I'll be working with. No, I do not offer say, oh my, I feel Johnny be a council. Oh my, how did the uncle this time to? Oh no, yes, more multimedia. Oh, I say to the people, oh, the child get more multimedia, but he's amongst the few people behind the scenes. I can't say this one. In as much as we charge, I respectfully disagree. It we a stakeholder. It me a stakeholder. And when I'm interested, nipa bi ti semo. Munya akonya we amanyo semo. Enya bare dodo. Mubotimi abende ne kakra say ahade enya amanyo sem chichirichi sa yenye mu na yeni Ghana nkomo. We need to change the narrative because amanfo odi yawo. Yawo ankasa. If you don't get level-headed, matured people can restrain themselves in the midst of all the provocations in our body politics now. That's why sometimes we do the recommendation. Oh my, me no pay me di yawo. Me yawo na media. Yeah. Efa o man pinda da John Dramani Mahama. Why then? Ninsembia. What would that be called? Ninsembia waka. O man waka sa we okobi the onu no be 30 we na. O ka say wo kobi ade na efe pa efe endra say me say na me ni age trotro bona. Na botema me ka ba say wo. President wo picture na very beautiful. No, very beautiful. Nice one power and yet we and it's a very beautiful edifice. Yeah. So I just say. I don't know why. Now, Mammy, I did for Caribbean. You know them throw us at home. Oh. Say, stop wasting young guys say about abandoned projects. I didn't want to come oh yeah, anniversary. And Ramin should that catch me party for say. And Rad dear, you tap into. It's a beautiful yes, because never you rally behind your former president 30th anniversary. A big deal. Obi a mompa is na worry between me and now was I capping with such a beautiful social responsibility. We are the track. Oh, really? But say you've abandoned a lot of it. Is not true. It is a complete falsehood. Oh no, you found one and go. No, I see a question. Who na we will carry the mama? Na beka, ana beka myself no. On not chatting in fact. As I know you are the visa. It is some Greater Accra NDC. That Chinese no introduction. We are distinguishing as a member of parliament. Various committees in our serve also. They are kai on top, education and then transport, right? Yes, we are distinguishing. In fact, one of the few MPs are Onwa Finipim or say Minkobi, Obin Super Franco to us. Na men call them Franco Share Party, na men fama what name in Yansa Party. I be see. Nipa kume bi na wo ya manyo semu a oyam na shebe nia ba bi o no betime die nipa o madaroma motina senti na meka sa but ohome even at this age ohome you know see there been some back to fapem na nkasa and your party the party gina yi a and no na be mani padodo na so atime ohwatime hare omo nti oye secretary ewo aye Greater Accra NDC afei obama medication pay em say mo hye mabato na se enne o se mo ye de enne o edu on de ne so a mesremo biribia da mo ye mo ma eno so na wo ye kanfo ma mo no nye so mo nya ehwe ni epia hye mo ko mo amu ne omo na ekoba. You know the sacrifices that they've made in terms of time, resources, energy, everything. Some of them abandoning their families. You know, there's the only momono. On fan hunis are still who is a member of parliament. But still, he's in the boat. In the new time, I say most more appreciate your I appreciate them. For them to know it's almost a little efforts, no more than my party, no, and individuals, no. Most more acknowledging and recognizing. It is hashtag still in count about the still in count. They do not want it. As I can't control bees now forget me on or quite was so table me were near table. Your teacher 5 minutes to
Mine.
Yeah, that was a quite
yeah, that's it. I don't pay that.
Yes.
Once you watch it,
yeah,
also
yeah.
I don't pay. I'm far when you're in here, you more summer boy. Master no more. Summer boy no more. Auntie Christy, I don't pay. Who share me the chiakes here and a day mount. Any a party for you. Or my innocent, I was sick, I know. Greater Accra region. And I say NDC as a political party, no. Afina, ye elections, no. Ashas here. And more Greater Accra na me count be. Third na yako. Na me no ka say ye registers and I say omo ya register omo no. Ye SBT register no ene any ochina. Nti ene ni ochina no exhibition of the register. Ye SBT register ni wi ye be ye a picking of nomination forms. If we picking of nomination forms na ye call vetting. And after vetting, you know, vetting ye be no that is 2nd and 3rd August. Now 4th August, you know, ye the Agbonan Kasa Asha see.
4th August.
4th, yeah. Integrated Accra region, you know, between 4th to 9th August, you know, we the branch elections in it's about 7,607 polling stations.
Wow.
Decided everybody on the 9th of August.
Mo yani jasu sa etitarisu don't bet my.
Oh yeah, bet me. Say achiche yemu. Oh, consensus no so omachiche mu into the electoral areas. Nti ni nyina be koso concurrently nti anya de a yi bia. But ya tutu nyama because ye mpese ni ayenwa no mu ye adani abatros ewo mkon so no yenso ebe bibisa abeba ye so nti ya tu ye bo na hihye na ewo se ye no ya ye no nti se say there NDC no is ready to take off.
Okay.
Now man ni wonim say
he's inviting me but
no, NDC is ready to take off. You come.
O se ye nua no de
say
decline the invitation.
They go
say why
na make say o chance ya so ko shoot too far much.
Be say me they what kind of me quote na me say me nka he o quote.
No man ni wonim o se de bia no nyame bi sisi wo ko mu so a sometimes no ye katakata so.
Yeah.
The recent Afrobarometer report bibie this very significantly. And once a media and I said Ghana for yebuye ni guso. Obe kaya Martin Amidu any pinyinfo bi ewo man mu attribute the high level of corruption aye hu ewo man mu no to the Jubilee House. Martin Amidu can say Jubilee House no and I say presidency no you can't the mother serpent of corruption na ahonomo and ade ni free ene ohunia Afrobarometer report no ade atudwa ma ye njai sansem no eka because we share Auditor General's report in this government's era MPP aban mu emre amudi abu o man mu no enye and this was a president catching Ghana for say oba be protect o man no minu yetu yetua what you say enti sa Afrobarometer report no mamu mbu meni enguso yade e was ye dissect na ma ban hu say because ya hwe ni here His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo obeye one president bia or free a SUA nkofo hu no traffic light mo kra o medidi na tem I was say this omanyi ni amike note it say your former president ye be hu o mo traffic mu ye be gigi o mo so no Yanhwe ni a obeye president bi a epie efiri ni fie kwa wontumi mpie
nanado
enu na me bokoko no esan say Ghana for ebu efu na mamo serious say for the first time you can corruption e wo memu a you rate the presidency as the second most corrupt institution. Enya de papa. Na say president ni share no pay na say on his national security for share wo han mu a omo nko no mo ko brief no. Say as a leader no obesi form. Na so si form a integrity ben and odi be enanti e wo men.
Okay, so you better conversation.
Very important.
We can on this one.
So there be our
yanko break. We can on this one.
And this is for
no, we're very critical.
What's critical? For the first time in the history of this country, a vice president was referred for probing by his own president, John Dramani Mahama. It's corruption in a sense. I mean, sometimes when I hear these things, I know some more politics. On my way, on my penny dada when you're in the crèche, John Evans Atamil, institute investigation into on vice president John Dramani Mahama the activities the Embraer plane procurement. You on my way. On my way, if anybody has brought shame onto this country in terms of corruption, John Dramani Mahama and a copy of British friend saying courts. I am only trying to indicate say me pay futu about abrabopa me nko give sebi tutu ni o say me cannot say let's interrogate let's interrogate the perception index so what you say look into it and I mean who they are IGP atro are responding to some of this they are very valid important point they say there so what you say to even determine say in some woman no kra na wonyina so and say eni nyina so they are make catch we I have given you, I'm not giving you perception. I have given you indicators in Yinaso say on my way, on my penny Ankasa was cited directly receiving fraud, bribe in this country. On my way, on my penny cleared by who? When they clear yeah, but and I'm just say cleared by
the controversy surrounding the car. Which one say one among two bam
cleared by what? Say clear one J bribe, one J finipan.
Oh,
anti car not toyana. Nobody he buy.
But Shrek did not classify.
No, but I'm just asking. Shrek didn't classify. But
somebody
did he buy?
Out of whatever reason.
Yes.
Or see, me the car abecheman.
And I'll be in a man of contract.
Debbie, you cannot.
No,
but you see, sometimes
no, I just want to understand.
Because the credit say, man, pay BR7 from A to Z. I am bigger than whatever.
I understand, but it happened. It's here. Honorable, me answer my interrupter. Me tell you about it's here. Didn't it happen?
Well, out of maybe. Yeah.
Well, we know in this country, when even as it stands now, we still have a case in the British courts on this Embraer plane allegations.
Against who?
No, against
government official one and government official.
Oh, but that one.
Against
why you?
No, but are you saying it's against the former president?
Of course, the government official one in New Mahama. Dear Mahama. No, but okay, we're not meant to ask you. Is it not the case? What's saying? I just want to understand. Tell the viewers.
That John Mahama.
Yes. No, tell the viewers. That is not true. Catch the viewers.
That John Mahama. That John Mahama.
Of course. Nothing. Now government official one kind report.
But who has established that government official one?
And government official one kind report. No, but okay. Aha. Minim say government can say no credit.
Yeah. Say mo dey bi animu a. Obeji atum na ma pe kwan so esi.
Me cobra. Okay, so ya sabe da mu ina mase to come on so am say but me can say miracles Ampofo-Adjei one say so na sanity mo fa say ye konya na edi nkomo ana afi onomo tete chance so am say ye share nkomo na say is 3 in 1 then episode share say miracles then episode do nkomo
my hospital there no and before I make hospital there no my it's very important say obekaya 2015 February on my way mu ayi any CDD 4 years baby. Almost say office of the president ranked second most corrupt institution in Ghana.
Okay.
My way. 2015 no. We have 25th February 2015. Our mom website.
Okay.
Later wait me refer. The point I am making is that it is not to justify or equalize anything. But me say me pay abrabo per efutua mean Jim fee sebe. I shall win. So my so what I say. Nti me nkoma asem so. They have me pan kesi anopa we. Eye omampini dada John Dramani Mahama consistent strategy. Say isane say why na dwen say obesi akore elections intino. Ekwe bi obefa so obetu mfutu ogu Ghana for them. Obetu Ghana for them. And I think it's a very worrying situation. Say ye pay to me, say ye pesi ye chichiro oman, ye pesi ye bono oman kon anim no. The focus should be to ensure say at any rate no you better communicate the facts to the people of Ghana so that all will take your decisions. It will be based on the reality. Otherwise, you can say you hoodwink them to take decisions and then later they regret. Like it happened in 2009 when the same NDC hoodwinked the people of Ghana. You take a decision. No, must say your mind between 2009 and 2016. I've sat here with you in this studio, and I'm catcher will say. Omampeni that John Dramani Mahama ni minority for someone about health facilities in this country. It's a falsehood. Makasa na papa no oka na utieti asem na otenetena no wakoshema no wasiaba after ebi 6-7 months no wasiaba tumfuto ni biegu nipa ni hwese ndra o ya de kama ye nyina ye kanfo wakogina baby will say one of the heartbreaking developments for me as a politician has been the number of health facilities commenced by previous administrators. By previous administrators that have been abandoned. The Kasha Nyankopo no nyam say. Nana Danko Akufo-Addo aban. It's the only government in recent times, if you met to 1992, waba on abandon even one single health project, and I'll tell you why. And me Kasa in same way I say it without speculating. But in some na beto ho, uwie na sa wo bi foforo abeka na wa fa ne senia etie. Document here me kuri, uwie me major copy amount. These are the list of health facilities are Nana Danko Akufo-Addo or inherited here from Omampene that John Dramani Mahama.
Hey, document in this one.
And
I just the hospital to the doors.
No, I beg you. You let me.
Who's the document in
no,
this one?
Yes, sir. Font size and so.
Oh.
Strategy.
Font size.
So admit to say a dose.
Document document on projects I inherited here.
From
any new ones are initiated
from
between 20 years. Any new ones I inherited between 2017 and now. Honorable, don't interrupt me again. Share on mine. Every single project we inherited under John Dramani Mahama, we have continued. Some of them we have completed. Some of them are also ongoing. And since I will be Jirana Sawaka say, you inherited project, you inherited a total of 37 projects. 37 health projects. So 37 health projects, no. And your project are Omampinda that John Dramani Mahama and the Shasi necessarily. And your project are a big crowd preceding. In fact, it would surprise you to even note, say, Project project I initiated under Akufo time 2008 to Krampono. Omampinda that John Dramani Mahama and then buy bedi 8 years. Omo we say beja to woman. As also as an abandoned project and an ongoing project. No, are you getting what I am saying? Me say project Omampini Kufo Eshas here in 2008. Okay, Project project.
3 major.
Oh, Shas here in 2008.
North Mikrum and I say
good. So project no Omampini John Dramani Mahama ni NDC aban about 2009 meboa. Ebe dia there from 2009 now to 2016 meboa. They left office without still completing those projects. It's here. And these are official documents. We have completed each of those projects. Each of those projects. We have completed each of those projects. And see, if you have such a person, you came to inherit a project that started in 2009. For 8 years in office, you couldn't complete. And within 5 years, you are completing projects. And you go and stand somewhere and you are saying, you're abandoned project. Is that how to run a country? Simply because you want power. Also, we had 10 polyclinics in our central region. These are projects we started in January 2016. Besiase Gomo de Rampon, Briwa, Eti Sunkwa, Bempon, Eja Jamra, Mancron, Ampofo-Adjei, Ekunfi, a confirm now kwa go more porting. Some projects in your betoye. You inherit of you. They are all commissioned. They are all commissioned.
Completed.
Oh, they are all commissioned.
As at August 28th.
Yes. August 28th, 1 hour.
No.
Why are you interrupting me? Stop it. Listen, we came to inherit the project. Was completed and commissioned for use in August 2018. So why do you say we have abandoned it? Why are you saying we have abandoned it? Why are you lying to the people? Stop it.
No, but make your point.
I am very passionate about this subject matter. Honorable I am not happy about it. I'm not happy about it. I'm not happy about it.
They started 2016 and I'm completing.
What say you have two projects you abandoned? Yes or no?
That's correct.
We started way 2016. We haven't abandoned it. It's not the argument you are making. So it is a complete lie. It's a falsehood. When you go and stand somewhere and say you started a project and we've abandoned it, is that point clearly made?
Okay. You see, maybe ain't mean lie because over call list names maybe one ma or my shasia monk farm on sankaye and my do baby and my emojan etio baby cry. It cannot be lie. It cannot be entirely correct.
And that is why I'm saying that we need to interrogate the facts. So that we see the honesty and dishonesty in the comments. Oh my, asama make a serious matter. You to me chechero man sir. Because the headlines here why and no pay papa bi away from their tuni team say
Adjei argument
Ghana buying SSK in the buying on the correct. And I'm giving you one. Me say you better 10 polyclinics be.
Out of this 10
apart from money, yes, also another 5 polyclinics be in Greater Accra. Ogbojo, and near Denta side, Ashaman, Botiano, Oduma, and Sege, South projects in Yewie, they were completed as at May 2019. So it has not been abandoned. Messiah Koso, major rehabilitation and upgrade of Tamale Teaching Hospital, almost I said July 2015. Almost to me, Yewie project, a commission and it's in use, Tamale. Eurojet project, construction of 2 regional hospitals, 6 district hospitals by Eurojet. So, guys, I project we. Ga East, Kwabenya. Wa and Sokwa, Tepa. And I said there were some others that were part of it.
What about the uncompleted ones?
Chifo Praso, Konongo Odumase, Salaga, Sewa. Each of these projects were projected on Mpensenpensenmu John Dramani Mahama Ebetoye as far back as 2009, 2010, 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 7 years, 8 years. When to me and we Ojat woman Emma Ekofo Asefo Yesanso buy ye buy no each of these projects ya ye. So where is the so-called abandoned project that you are referring to? Mr. Yakomenimu. And see wow Yesanso construction of please I beg you. Construction of 7 district hospitals and integrated IT systems in Ghana. And also GM in the starting November 2012. Okay, it's our project we Dodowa, Fomena, Kumewu, Abetifi, Garutimpani, and the secondary Takrade, Kasarodo. This project is worth $175 million. Sasikano, as at the time of Omufia Baimu in 2017, Nasikana came with 35 million pe. Meanwhile, na project back open no way.
No, my head.
Make some cast make cast in Biachero. What the $175 million? So the Babe project, one Shai Osudoku, Garutimpani, Kasarodo, secondary Diano,
Kumewu,
Takrade European Hospital accommodation Bikaho, Kumewu for Menania Betifi, $175 million. Ufi Abemuno, na Kasas can $35 million. And so projects no, now we Shai Osudoku pe.
Now they can away.
Sikana can away. And to me no say, a buying way buy no. You better 35 million. So 35 million, we realize say a bit to me only for Mena and Kumewu pe. Na kakra ewie Takrade accommodation no. Nti ye de sasika no aye for Mena and Kumewu. Abetifi discussions are still ongoing to be able to raise funds. Because the question is $140 million now we use no. Aden to me we Sasha Osudoku projects no epe. What we have to do even with a project like Kasaro is to make sure say ye dey sa efie kuma esikado efie kuma government hospital and agenda 111 to replace that project. Oko Garutimpani because Sasikana omkoje so be project omo ntumi wi enti no because of that yakofa agenda 111 projects no e bia ko garu in the Edibia Koyeden, Aqua Timpani. If you remember, na Garu Timpani were one kind of saying district. But today they are 2 different districts. And so we have to go and find funding for those other projects as well. So that Garu can have another hospital and then Timpani can have another hospital. The point I'm making is that this project that he's referring to, he never even started them. He never started the Garu Timpani project.
But minim the only James Hinson, Reverend Jex, minim Adwina nebo say, Omahene, Miracle Abwaji is good, but the propaganda is too much. When the former president speaks, instead of MPP sitting down to analyze the situation, they just brush it aside and taking all into propaganda like Miracle has been doing. Ghanaians voted NDC out. You are in power. Now why the blame game?
No.
Fix it.
I am saying it again on your station today. And me, Dennis, I don't do propaganda. That is why anytime you are aware, when I come to your station, if I don't have document, I don't speak to it. Let me tell you something. And I want to say it today on your channel. Say, my Bobo project I inherited from John Dramani Mahama. And I'm about the status of each of those projects. Let John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, come and tell us which project that has been abandoned. Those projects are here. Each of them have their status. I can continue and continue. University of Ghana Phase 2 was one of the projects we inherited under John Dramani Mahama. Haven't we completed it?
Yeah.
Is it abandoned?
That's why I use
Tell me which project that we, as NPP, we inherited from John Dramani Mahama that we have abandoned.
The president they can
because the documents are here, and I will leave a copy with you. Give it to your media people. Let them go around the country. Okay? Wouldn't say every abayji transition. Yeah, transition. I will give you this document. Okay? Go around the country. Now we'll reporters, and go check it whether we have actually abandoned your friends and health facilities. In fact, the few projects I'll be say bia yeba abamu yan fa yen sankan ye no. E bi na mama example to say Garu Timpani. The project didn't even start. Okay, they went for the funding, $175 million,
and then they use it for
just one project, and then the rest they didn't complete. And $35 million. $35 million na kaya no. And I ye dey abaya for me na ene kumewu ene takrade European hospital accommodation no.
Okay.
Abetifi me no ka say aka be be face ka dey ede. Why do we do this to ourselves just because of power? And anybody, any NDC person that wants to challenge me on this matter should come with the figures. Ombo hospital needing non che baby esi.
We be propaganda. I am there say obi attacks you.
But what the bank say propaganda?
But I'll give you the document if you say you should show me the
But me propaganda ni bi. Or see, while calling on the government to complete abandoned health facilities, the former president also called for completed ones to be operationalized. I don't know propaganda, sir.
So you've finished, but you have not operationalized it.
I don't know propaganda, sir. Who's there? MPP as a political party no. Omunye omu say John Dramani Mahama obi a Ghana for enya GDA bi ewo ni mu because of ejuma poten a obeye edima oman Ghana ene ye nyina ye di hu adase sabi COVID ba no enye ni nsan ano ejuma anka Ghana for bebre ehwe omu nko even omankasa omu ministers omu benefit from our facilities no. And in all can say once a beginning no or President John Mahama or President Wie no or the no esi adibone so. Omayini, what is wrong? It's wrong. Say abai sika ye di ye project. Na project no I install unim ehun susu so. Let me tell you something. Okay, Achimota, friends, the highway, no?
Yeah.
Interchange, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, say it took President Mills a lot of effort and more resources to complete that project. Unmadukunti. Omayini, contract be a signing ewo memuno timelines ewo. Na contractor no obeka kire o say so no o meeting the requirements na nie was we ye as aban 1 year contractor bia $2 million no at the end, you know, on mine bet you about $70 million. So, on mine, at the country of mine, and call the name and say, the piano, ye jinafa and a ye share sika, edi go on. On mine, now make a note. Now, another thing very important say, as on mine, unya to me now be dear. Nyama contracts are ya signing on, ya di o man sika no e na aye no. E was say enim na no. We make sure say we complete those projects no within the time frame now. Contract no ya di ato no mo. Se na ese be ya ye tu ato no. Yen san kon hwe sika engu sa project no mu bio. The sensible thing that we as leaders, as politicians, I was saying ye ne say abai bi ye project na say emredu na sa aban ne kwa wo ban aban fofo na wo ba no eye wasede say sa project no within the contract framework no obeye se na se be ya yen san ko hwe sika emfan gu ho no project ya ye kikan ni nyina no wo hwa na otu list ni e ho no bebre o ni onu ka na say ebeye omo share TV no
mention the ones you think are abandoned. Look, why are we doing this to ourselves?
There are a lot of them.
Take it, mention, tell the people. It is not true. Take it, mention, take it, mention. No, but we shouldn't do this. Mention,
project be 80% complete.
No, be which project? Mention which project?
Expansion of radiotherapy and nuclear medicine services at look at and baby, I want to know money.
I want to find out
80.3%.
Can you imagine? We took this project as 13.5%. It is at 80% today, and you say it's abandoned. You see what you are taking?
Where did you take it? No,
why should I pay? No, I'm not before the document. Let me give you the names of them.
Oh, yeah, we need to say communication.
No, please, we don't do that. I was just don't do that. I am telling you to show the fact. Don't do that. Tell the people which was.
Yeah,
mention the hospitals, the abandoned ones.
The principle they say, as governments, we should be mindful of that thing, because Oman Sikano. Yes, say Oman Sika as a result of projects are abandoned. And for us as a party, we are resolved, say, by 2025, the NDC government, projects be a war on mono. They be completely answer your share for us. Oman President, I commissioned over 111 hospital projects to be done. Tio contractors na ye this projects no assure Mpensenpensenmu no. The contract is for a year and a half. Oma ye na wutie. Se sa projects no se sika wo ho a. Se na ye spending $80 million on those projects now. It makes sense. What you here? But Yakob bro various regions. Yako share in Kofobo say yes hospital within 1.5 years at their mom. Hospitals no even assassin crop ye the share hospital na senukwa no yes ebi eni hono.
Nyeni nyina o.
Odetie
mimi kroma have Kenya so much chance.
Yeah, ebi mu but majority of them it has not started
because omo chire omo say nananom nananom call into agreement.
Exactly. Meanwhile you've signed a contractual arrangement with any partner obesi hospital no. In the hospital now and then what shall say $80 million no. After 1 year no, that same cost of hospital no is going to be about $200 million.
So twice or thrice.
Exactly. And that is the hardship governments inflicting onto the citizenry. Omahini, the sensible thing to do is say 10 regional hospitals, and I said 10 hospitals, and I said 16. And I will bet you see every regional commit yourself to the system. Na sika when you for the system no, na see within the period. So 20 and I will see kana no e betumi esi commit to na see. Then you are saving the public purse. What is here? But we give contracts. We don't have the resources. Sikeni ni one more. Ya de share projects na say. Na contracts no e go on. And then me no ka say hwe La General Hospital.
Yes.
E ya reho.
But health minister when the kasa is some.
Oh. Omahini and then your phone program here. For cameras in La General Hospital. Really? It's still a bare land.
Are you sure?
Yes. Ubehu skeletal omesisi your friend saying in the table dan bi ewo corner mu onu e na omudi ahwia ani bobi egugugu enim honu. Nti wo ba ube feel say there is work ongoing. Nothing. We have deprived the people of Ladade Kotopon, Kole Krote, Krowo, environs, you know, omu access La General Hospital. And we have deprived them their health facility. And I call La Polyclinic. About for the form. The hospital cannot contain the people within La.
Okay. So memoir to us about quickly. Go through your document for me. Konongo District Hospital, stage bed number 2, stage bed number.
I come to Konongo.
No, because you're crossover. Why not? I'm saying that just check for me. Konongo District Hospital, stage bed and then that of Kumau.
Konongo is completed. Omo test runs, not for my commissioner.
Konongo?
Yes, Konongo Dumase is completed. Call right now and check. Right now, before we leave the set. Konongo Chufu Praso Salaga any Sewa they under one project.
Okay, so John Mahama and Sanu you man more we do.
No, wait, I need John Mahama and Sanu Duma.
Konongo is 2015.
Eurojet project. I as far back as 2009. I had to money Mahama.
Oh, I beg you. No, I'm not the fact to be
it's a fact. Infrastructural development. Okay, in terms of health.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, so we are back. Adepam. Onsano Juma. Adepam. Eze uhia because we are on Onsano Juma bia. It's very key. It's a day on Adom TV and she share the abano. Adepam season 2 near women. Inti make sure say you die and they didn't hear the trail. The air course will be answered the trail and there are 12 contestants no. Ejad them every Sunday 4 p.m. With our sweet woman Sandra Bebio. Ono di chia me kese pa na afidwumedie no ye pam skills ahodo na dey on abon ampa amanfo ni made pam it me just 40 minutes here dey pamatari mo ade ahyew nti you need to watch it now ohu die ebekwa akosi every Sunday 4 p.m. on this channel Adom TV. Miracles Abwaji one say na fe
na me ka
ye ba pena we na miracle na nke ebem na for what be rap up
me la issue no me
say la they say is abandoned and I go and check on it. For the records la is abandoned. For the records la is abandoned.
La is a new project ye ba be share. How do you call a project mobilization?
Na wo ho na mko hwie gu
ye. Any ba be share say what it is abandoned.
Oh, na
projector. Projector. I think I may be share me mobilize your
project wo ho na ko hwie gu fom. E kire say wo hwie gu fom no. Wo bo na wie pen.
You see when you spin this.
Do you know the lives that have been lost?
You see Miracle say you should spin amame.
Why are you doing
this? Do you know the lives that have been lost?
Why are we doing this?
Na ade ni gina ho. Ana o je gu fom.
Na me be si foforo. Me be si foforo. So I just.
And
they go on about beg.
Independent no si obesi foforo. Men ko on that tangent. O si obesi foforo. Ye won kan no I say the ye kwan o ka se futuru ko dem. Ya nye kwan no so
would you allow me
Adeno is functional.
Would you allow me to
and I will say who person who upgrading no.
Yeah.
Now, who person who upgrading no. One first sika amfa ma say menya sika no ba be hye enti se dua ade negu yama start what dua ade negu for 2 years.
I will not be distracted by let me come to the sensitive matter. Let me tell you the hypocrisy and the lies of the NDC.
Propaganda.
Number one. Omampinda John Dramani Mahama say Nana Dwaban a Westiska because he abandoned projects. I am telling you on record on your show today. A complete falsehood is a lie.
Okay.
I have given you the list of projects, and I have told you that Ono Don Dramani Mahama is excellency. Obedi 8 years. Project Akufosha Sekra went to me Ojato. And then his former MP, Secretary for Greater Accra, catch and say, see a year the air ya. Mimi Chrome Tatakwashi Hospital, a mayen. See a year the Abetu Yana, a blue comb clinic, a mayen. And I'm telling you today that. No, and I'm telling you today that when you go to the same John Dramani Mahama data, some projects no better no Eurojet no. So for $575 million, e buy so the new project. I don't know when you go for them no say jay that's what. Let's be please stop interrupting me, I beg you. I don't know one fast $175 million no. Every President Kufuor no. Can you imagine that the project that Kufuor initiated is still outstanding as we speak in 2022? And you, this same person who left it for 8 years without touching it, has come to tell us that we should go and complete it. Or my miss can't say once our $175 million by ya, or so the Bayesa Shayo Sudokunia Betifimuna, or yes, Shayo Sudokunquano. That same period, no, or Psychoji Scaffold for a science started other project. Wabra own years our project. So the question is, start preaching now no pay. Honorable Ede Mayeno, why didn't they initiate or execute that preaching and live by that sermon whilst they are in office? It has taken us. Oh, why are you doing this?
It has
taken no, and you're nice. Because I will interrupt this and you're fake. It has taken us 6 years. It has taken us 6 years. 6 years
to complete.
To be able to catch up with all these projects here. But I'm putting on record on my say. It is never true. Some projects here I see. Emu maku be 8 penny John Dramani Mahama project on Ankasa na shase. The rest of the project, me say John Mahama project. You know when I make the points, I choose my words carefully. That is why even MPP when I'm speaking I say Kufuor and I say Kufuor. Emu be 8 bi penny John Dramani Mahama project on Ankasa na shase. A lot of them he inherited them. He inherited them and yet he left them. Rage Hospital with regress went to me review. Who's a Rage Hospital here? Who's a Rage Hospital? We need proper OPD. Are you aware that the OPD is supposed to be part of the phase 2? They couldn't finish. We have to now look for funding and finish. University of Ghana Medical Center, they couldn't finish.
Beautifully complete.
They couldn't finish. We have to come and complete. This your friend is saying on one polyclinics was starting almost about 10 of them. He couldn't complete. We have to come and complete. I've given you the list of the projects. Chifu Praso, Konongo Dumase, Salaga, can say Sewa na. Sewa. Dodowa, Dodowa Podomu, Formina Kumewu. We have to come and finish. Abetifi, as we speak, it is his project. He couldn't finish. Garut in Panokrade, one Shasia Crampo, Sikanoso, Ashi, Eniho, and yet you come back 6 years later when we have a status report on each of these projects. You have Bria Mojeni. Ekaya dinina wa kasa wosan boy so mo say ya bobesia de kano saka ni nyina because of project awuja ya physical ya dey and then you come and stand in public on your 30th anniversary because of 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Who say aban no? Who say oman no? Sani e cheche oman.
You have to take it in good faith. So oman sika say ya e kan me no nyina. Say ye maybe in the past.
Uncle year.
And amwa or minor. Me know the new generation.
Fight it.
Yana was a yes, sir.
What are we changing?
And you know,
because I've told you there's no abandoned projects. So what are we changing?
There are a lot of abandoned projects.
Mention two.
And I said General Hospital.
General Hospital. It's a project. It is our project we are starting.
It is an abandoned project.
And your project I abandoned. Listen to what the man said. Listen to what the man said. The man said, project started by previous administrators. Project started by previous administrators and abandoned.
Underline.
Yes. So why are you doing this? Why are you being dishonest to your viewers?
Miracle. The cost, me know, and a
oh, Jai, mo pesado do. To me kakra mo penti.
Dabi.
Mo say on mine because of to me kakra mo pay.
In the next administration, democracy ne pese ekọ enim no nyame bi a ya ye
anko yi
intro nka ho
sesa no
intro nka ho
sesa no
intro nka ho o twa intro we dia mo kan intro nka ho
e wo say ye de
yes
intro nka ho ene ahukyere
aba
Ghana for FM no. It's as a result of corrupt
30 minutes you could not substantiate his point.
Oh,
you could not substantiate his point.
Now we change him now oka.
Oh, onka he.
No man ni. Me kre wie no. Na ye wo ade ba ku bi a yanka ho ase.
Yes.
Russian embassy.
Obokata no gaba.
Omasa omama omumisu biom.
They be specific on items.
Omayini. MPP aban yes rom. So no mu use Russia and Ukraine war. Ewo amamo boni a mo de ato Ghana for no so no. Russia for so bo rom omo jai. Only the reason in here. Only reason no. O hwe nyama Ghana.
Edi last week ade
ya import
tomatoes ebu ba ye
omayini
as you can another falsehood another lie another falsehood another lie another falsehood another lie another falsehood
chatters fashions happy birthday
because and then what man like cancer when you want to pa
every Mr. and Mrs. Na Anna Omodia Charles.
Oh, sir. In some more Katuma. Russia be okay. Russia be okay.
Russia be puye.
Sanity.
Sanity.